Hai murid ibu dan terpelajar, Assalamualaikum. Video kali ini kita lanjutkan materi English in Mind Second Edition yang dipergunakan dalam Kurikulum Merdeka untuk siswa kelas 10 SMA atau SMK. Kali ini kita akan membahas chapter 1 Communication. Nah, fokus ke listening point kelima, yaitu listening and vocabulary about body language. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, murid ibu, kita masuk ke bagian poin kelima, listening and vocabulary, mendengarkan dan membahas kosakata yang terkait dengan body language atau bahasa tubuh. Nah, di sini ada poin A dan poin C. Di poin C A ini, kita akan match the words with the pictures, then listen and check and repeat. Kita mencocokkan kata yang ada 1 sampai 10 ini dengan gambar. Ini ya, dengan gambar. Oke. Kemudian dengarkan kembali dan cek dan ulangi. Nah, nomor 1 tadi nanti kamu akan mendengarkan nomor 1 J. Nih. Berarti make eye contact. Nah, mana sih contoh eye contact? Nah, ini eye contact. Nah, jadi kalau saling melihat itu artinya kita membuat eye contact ya. Kemudian untuk yang B, ini work with a partner, bekerja dengan teman, pasangan kamu, tandai, tick ya. The things in exercise 5A that help communication. Nah, kalau kasih tanda ini tick, berarti dapat membantu komunikasi. Sedangkan kalau tanda silang atau cross, the ones that do not help communication, maka hal yang tidak membantu komunikasi. Nanti ini kamu tandai saja. Nah, untuk poin ke C, yang C, listen to Oliver and Francesca doing a quiz about body language. Nah, ini ada quiz tentang bahasa tubuh. Nanti dilingkari. Nah, the correct answer A, B, C. Mana yang tepat? A, B, C. Kamu pilih nanti di listening. Ya, maksudnya nanti kita dengarkan bersama-sama. Nah, murid ibu sengaja untuk kali ini ibu tidak akan membahas. Kamu cukup dengarkan dan kerjakan dengan teman. Tapi kalau kamu butuh jawaban yang asli dan pasti yang benarnya, kamu bisa DM ke Instagram ibu. So, selamat mendengarkan.
Unit 1, Exercise 5A. Match the words with the pictures, then listen, check, and repeat. 1.
J. Make eye contact.
2.
H. Fold your arms.
3.
D. Lean forward.
4.
E. Sit back.
5.
C. Avoid eye contact.
6.
I. Gesture.
7.
B. Raise your eyebrows.
8.
F. Look nervous.
9.
G. Give someone a warm smile.
10.
A. Nod your head.
Unit 1, Exercise 5C. Listen to Oliver and Francesca doing a quiz about body language. Circle the correct answer, A, B, or C.
Hey, Francesca, look. It's a quiz about body language. You know, all those things we do without knowing it, which tell people how we feel or what we're thinking.
I know what body language is, Oliver.
Oh, okay. So, first question. If someone you were talking to suddenly folded their arms, it would tell us they were A, happy, B, feeling defensive, or C, about to cry?
I'd say B, wouldn't you? People fold their arms to sort of protect themselves.
Yes, and sometimes when they're cross. My teacher used to do that. Anyway, we're right, it is B. Now, next question. How much of what we say is actually communicated through body language and gestures rather than spoken? Is it A, 50%, B, 75%, or C, 90%?
I'd say A, 50%.
I think it's more than that. I'll say 75%. Now, let me check. Wow! No, it's 90%. Oh, that's amazing. I didn't think it was so reliable.
I don't think it is always reliable, actually, Oliver.
OK, well, here's another question for you. If you are out with a friend and they start doing the same things as you're doing, can you tell me what it means? A, they like you. B, they dislike you. Or C, they're bored.
I have a feeling it means they like you, so I'm going to say A. Do you agree?
Yes, I do. And we're right. It says here that's called mirroring. And when people do that, it means they like us a lot. I can't say I've ever noticed anyone doing it with me.
Don't worry. It doesn't mean nobody likes you.
Right. What about this question? What automatic gesture do people make when they first see someone they like? Do they A, smile and show their teeth, B, touch the person on the arm, or C, raise their eyebrows?
Tricky. I'd say A. They smile.
I think it's B. Well, we touch people when we like them, don't we?
So who's right?
Oh, neither of us. It's C. It says we do something called the eyebrow flash when we see someone we like. We can't help it. It's automatic. Our eyebrows go up, then down again very quickly. And it's the most common sign of a friendly greeting anywhere in the world.
Really, this body language is quite something, isn't it? Now, any more questions?